Click on Grab Now button under the WhatsApp group links section. A new screen will pop up, and here click on the Open Browser button in the first section, and it will take you to the Google Chrome. And here you will see all of the links that contains WhatsApp groups links. Here you can scroll all over the website and click on any link that contains WhatsApp groups links, but here I am going to click on the link that contains 9,900 plus WhatsApp group links. After clicking on the link, now I am going to open my software window, and here click on the second option button, which is Start Grabbing. After clicking on Start Grabbing button, it will now open another window, and from here you will save it in Excel format. As you can see, it grabbed 273 WhatsApp groups links for us so far. Now close this one and again click on the Start Now button under the Auto Group Joiner section. And on the left side, click on Upload Excel button, and upload the same file you have downloaded a minute ago. Click on Open, and on the left hand you can see all the links that contains in our Excel sheet are now uploaded here. Now on the right hand side you can see the delay settings, and I recommend you to use the same as you can see in the video right now, because it will help you to avoid the things being messed up. Now after all of that, click on the Start button, and on the right hand side you can see the status, that is, running. And down here you can also see the status in percentage, and below you can also see a table that's showing all of the status or working that being done up till now. Wait until it reached 100%, and after that you can see all of the groups you have been joined so far. How this happened? Click on the link down below in the description, and here on our website you can see that we have more than 6,000 active users, and you can also see the total number of people that are using Basic or Pro plans so far. You can buy our Basic plan for only $9.99 for 7 days, and for lifetime you can get our software for only $49.99. Isn't it amazing, guys? Like and subscribe for more.